In this video, you will learn how to write a YouTube title according to YouTube. To find the information from YouTube, go to the YouTube Creator Academy. Go to the course Key Strategies for Success. Lesson 1. Content Strategy. Family Vlogs Best Practices. Open the PDF. And click on sheet number 11. Things to keep in mind when writing a YouTube title. Keep titles concise. While YouTube allows up to 100 characters for a YouTube title, try keeping them under 70 characters and focus on the most important words at the front. When possible, include search-friendly keywords in your title. This can help you capitalize on pre-existing interests of users looking for the topic on YouTube. Summary. Keep your title under 70 characters. Put the most important keywords at the front. And include search-friendly keywords. Congratulations! Now you know how to write a YouTube title according to YouTube.